Last but not least, let's talk about the transition, which is basically the call to action. So here we summarize the offer again and then write our call to action with the button, video, subscription, form, or whatever below. So we start here by summarizing. Want to secure the Guitar Hero formula today? Let's make it like this. To enter music school with ease. Now's your chance to book it for 25% or for with 25% discount. Don't forget about the first free trial lesson. You can always also offer a free trial lesson or a money gets back guarantee, something like that, and then you should of course also mention it here. Since we don't have that, we cross it out. And then below we have the call to action. Click now on the link to secure the Guitar Hero formula for a one-time 150 euros new customer price. And then there's the button. Click now on the link below or on the button below to secure the Guitar Hero formula for a one-time 150 euro new customer price. Okay, that's it. So this part is called transition because you transit from a content or from a landing page, a LinkedIn posting, whatever, really to the sell of a product, really to the call to action. So you transit from giving information for free to really try to sell something here and really also make an offer, a real offer where people can click and either get redirected to a video, a newsletter form, a video, or of course a shop.